If you tend to run the same prompts here in Microsoft 365 Copilot, it's best to just schedule it so it runs automatically at a certain time. Here's how you do it. Here's a prompt I'm using. Check my calendar for the week, and based on the attendees and their email domains, identify the organizations which I'll be meeting with this week. Give me a brief on each of them. Tell me what is the latest news for each of those organizations. Okay, so first I am going to run this prompt because I run this often, so I'm just going to go ahead and run it. And then you can schedule it after you run it. Now keep in mind, you want to have the work tab clicked over here for the Microsoft Copilot. This is the paid subscription. Once you do that, click on execute and let's go. So it's saying searching for the meetings this week. Okay, so it says you have 27 meetings scheduled this week, and here's a summary. And then it goes about telling me the organizations and the actual summary for each organization that I'm meeting with and what we're going to be talking about. Now, because I need to run this prompt every week, I'm just going to go ahead and schedule it. Here's how we do it. From the prompt itself, I'm going to hover over it and I get this menu. In this menu, there's a schedule this prompt icon. I'm going to click on that. And this is where I would schedule exactly when to have this prompt be executed automatically. Okay, so I made my changes. I said start August 3rd, 2025, which happens to be a Sunday. Do it at 5 p.m. Okay, every week and do it every Sunday. And run 15 times. That's the maximum that I can do. Okay, so I did all that stuff and it's going to send me the results automatically in Copilot chat. Now I'm doing this on a Sunday so I can get prepared for the week ahead. So it's going to take it for that week, Monday to Friday, or actually even Saturday. Okay, I'm going to click on save. It's creating it, initializing, and now it's active. Okay, so it takes about a minute. I'm going to click on X. Now, anytime I want to see exactly which scheduled prompts I have, I can click on this ellipsis on top, click on schedule prompts. And that's how you can schedule prompts to be automatically run within Microsoft Copilot.